Imagine living completely surrounded by nature while enjoying the comforts of home, all inside a stunning tiny house made almost entirely of glass. This is no ordinary mobile home. It's the Beaufort Bushland Retreat, a revolutionary triple-axle tiny house wrapped in expansive glass panels designed to blur the lines between indoors and outdoors in a way you've never seen before. Tiny homes and mobile living have boomed in recent years as more people seek freedom, flexibility, and alternative housing solutions. Digital nomads, remote workers, and adventure lovers crave new experiences and low-stress lifestyles, and tiny homes answer that call perfectly. But the Beaufort Bushland Retreat from Australia's Elsewhere Pods takes this concept to an entirely new level with its extraordinary design. Unlike typical tiny homes with traditional walls, this innovative pod replaces most walls with large double-pane glass panels, creating an immersive living space that invites nature in. Built on a custom triple-axle trailer, the Beaufort Bushland Retreat measures 8 meters long, 2.7 meters wide, and 2.57 meters tall. The frame is crafted from durable titanium magnesium alloy finished in matte, ensuring strength without sacrificing style. While the ends of the house feature traditional cedar-clad walls, the majority of the home's envelope is glass, tempered, double-glazed, and treated with low-E coating for insulation and noise reduction. This ensures a cozy interior despite the transparent exterior. Inside, the layout is cleverly optimized for comfort and versatility. One end houses a fully dry bathroom hidden behind frosted glass for privacy. Adjacent to this is a minimalist kitchenette, perfect for simple meals like brewing coffee or boiling eggs, since this unit is primarily designed as a rental retreat rather than a full-time home. At the other end, you'll find the bedroom space, featuring a queen bed likely convertible into a sofa to maximize usable space. Between these functional zones is an open-plan living area flooded with natural light from all sides, creating an airy atmosphere that feels far larger than its compact footprint. The interior is warmly finished with wood and outfitted with modern, sleek furniture that avoids overcrowding. LED accent lighting, air conditioning, and solid surface countertops add to the overall comfort and practicality. Despite the house's primarily glass construction, the designers have thoughtfully included advanced insulation using CEP aluminum film composite sandwich panels throughout the structure, maintaining energy efficiency and comfort year-round. Detailed customization is a key feature of Elsewhere Pod's tiny homes, and the Beaufort Bushland Retreat is no exception. Buyers can request additional interior glass panels, bifold doors, half walls, or extra windows, tailoring the living space to their exact needs. Of course, extra customization comes at an additional cost, but it highlights the versatility of these pods. The construction timeline for an Elsewhere Pods unit is approximately 12 weeks, with on-site assembly taking just about a week after delivery in pieces. This prefabrication approach places these tiny houses between traditional mobile homes and fully prefabricated modular houses. It's a modern, efficient way to deliver unique homes in remote or scenic locations. Currently, the Beaufort Bushland Retreat is available for sale at AUD 111,256, about USD 71,000, not including the cost of private land. Positioned in the bushland of Beaufort, Victoria, Australia, it offers renters and owners a rare chance to enjoy nature without sacrificing comfort or style. In summary, this glass-wrapped tiny house is more than just a place to stay. It's a transformative living experience, redefining what it means to connect with the outdoors while enjoying all the conveniences of a modern home. Whether as a rental getaway or a personal retreat, the Beaufort Bushland Retreat is proof that tiny living can be both stylish and immersive in ways never before imagined.